Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Wright County, western Sherburne County, until 5 p.m. At 4:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Maple Lake, or near Buffalo, moving north at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Monticello around 4:35 p.m. Big Lake, Becker, and Clear Lake around 4:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Enfield, Buffalo Airport, Santiago, Hasty, Silver Creek, and St. Cloud Airport. This includes the following highways: Interstate 94 in Minnesota between mile markers 179 and 193. U.S. Highway 10 in Minnesota between mile markers 181 and 202. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. At 3:20